Yeah, hi Dave, it's Mark at FMAV again. Okay, this is your number one, um, unit. It's the 1254. So yeah, same again with that. I've taken that apart. It's a little bit cleaner. I've taken that one apart and checked everything for you. Checked the cogs. I've given them a good clean, a little bit crapped up. Checked the micro and put a laser in there for you, a new laser. So yeah, there you go. Let me just turn this on for you, bud, and let me just turn that up. You can hear that coming on a second. Well, I think the camera's probably going to go dead in a minute, but yeah. So basically, that one's all done for you, Dave. You know, you've got your 6-month warranty on it, on the laser itself. So if there is any issues, we'll sort it out for you. So I hope you're happy with that, and you know, please leave feedback when you're happy and everything else. So you know, I hope you have a great Christmas, and any problems at all, just give me a ring. Just give me a call on the phone. You got my number. So yeah, that'd be great. Thanks, Dave. You have a great Christmas, and yeah, I'll speak to you soon.